Okay guys, we are at the river now. There's the boat, there's the four-wheeler with the motor and the rods, and I'll show you where we will be fishing. She is not as low as I thought. That's good. I want it to be low, but I don't want it to be too low. So let's walk out there, see what it looks like. It's looking pretty fishy. Probably gonna crank the pike. If I had to guess, / hope, the pike fishing will be good. But maybe it'll be bad with this wind. I think it'll be good. Okay, here comes the hard part. It's not too hard, but just grab the boat, pick it up, and drag it. It's definitely not my favorite thing, but it is what it is. Gotta do it to go fishing here. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it there, and then I'm gonna push it over that rock, get it in the water, get the motor, and then get on the water. Oh yeah, see that? Got a nice one. Fish on. Fish on. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, yeah, nice. Nice. Sweet. I saw him slash at that spinner. It's a nice fish. Good pike. Good one to eat. Good 20-incher. Beautiful, nice fish. That's not bad at all. Beautiful pike. Okay. This is big. Oh yeah. It's not a 30, but it's a good fish. Oh yeah, look at that beast. That's upper 20s. Oh yeah. Beautiful fish. Okay, let's get him in. Oh crap. Okay, he's a big one. He's a big one. Look at that fight. Oh yeah. He's a drag puller. Oh, tighten that drag. Oh shoot. Look at that beast. It's just skinny. It's a good 27, 28 maybe. He's really long. Really long and skinny. Okay, we're gonna scoop him in our net. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good pike. Look at that beautiful fish. Number 3 of the day. They're biting pretty well today. They just don't have size yet. We'll have to find the ones with size. It's a little fighter. Look, oh yeah, this might be a keeper. Oh yeah. A little small, about a 20-incher again. Nice fun pike. Really a fun pike. Smack that little Mets. Beautiful little fish. Yeah, not too bad for the little river. What I'm doing right now is I'm just filling my stringer. Just getting that taken care of. Getting the string filled. Filling up the box with some meat. And then I'm gonna go have fun. Catch some pikes. These are still a great fun time though. Let me tell you that. Like this, they're just in here so thick. I mean, it's just instant nice rock bass. I got one more and then I'm done. And I'm done keeping. So let's get those guys on. I'll show you how easy it is. Like, they're just so stacked in here. Like, watch this. Drop it down here. There we go. Look at the size of these beasts too. Like, these are beasts. Beasts of rock bass right here. Nice fish. That's stringer. Yeah, that's good stuff. Okay, I've never had rock bass fishing in this river like this. There's another one. Look at him. Another stud too. Like, this is absolutely for, and these are giant rock bass too. Just drop it down in that little pool. Just kind of a deep pocket here. Boom, set the hook. It's honestly insane. Never seen anything like it. Look at the size of these rock bass. I barely got any bait. I'm just dropping it down and they're just cranking it instantly. It's absolutely incredible. Just, oh my gosh. This is really just insane. At this point, back down, jig, drop it. There he is. Guys, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, here's all you do. Drop the jig to the bottom. Shut the bail. Give some jigs. There he is. Guys, this is, oh my. Look at the size of these rock bass. These aren't just little guys. These are flipping studs. Got him. Got him. One more. Then we're gonna go home. Sounds pretty decent. Yeah.
You get all those fillets in the pool.
Yeah. Not a bad rock bass. My spinner was like running on the surface. Decent little one. Good one to eat. Barely single hooked. Nice little fish. Look at that little scrapper. It's a nice one. Barely hooked. Lots of pike. Not a bad little guy. Swing him in. Barely hooked, one hook through top lip. Got him. This thing's gone. Like, spinner's gone. It's always the little ones. Saved him. Fish home. I might stop trolling. Yeah. Decent. Yeah. They're all about this size. A good one to eat. Okay, we're finished for the day. So now I gotta pick that up, walk her through the weeds, and throw her on the back of the quad, drag up the boat, get everything strapped down, and get out of here and get home. Really good fishing today, actually. Kind of surprised, but not surprised. It was good stuff. Fun day.